Alrighty folks, gather round. Today we're diving into the treasure trove of business machines you can snag at your friendly neighborhood Walmart. Yep, you heard it right. Walmart isn't just for midnight snack runs or last-minute gift grabs anymore. They've got a whole arsenal of machines waiting to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. So sit back, relax, and let's explore 25 game changers that'll have you saying, "Why didn't I think of that?" Upgrade your painting process with the VEVOR Powder Coating Machine. This electrostatic powder coating system is designed for professional use, delivering high-quality results with ease. With its 50-watt power and 45 liters capacity, it's capable of spraying up to 450 grams of powder per minute, making it ideal for large-scale projects. Whether you're coating metal parts, automotive components, or furniture, this versatile machine ensures even coverage and durable finishes. Plus, with its ergonomic design and easy-to-use controls, it's a must-have for any workshop or manufacturing facility. Looking for the perfect machine to kickstart your embroidery journey? Meet the Brother SE630 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. With its intuitive So Smart LCD display, this machine makes it easy for beginners to get started on their embroidery projects. From basic stitches to intricate designs, the SE630 can handle it all with ease. Priced affordably, it's the ideal choice for those taking their first steps into the world of embroidery. Whether you run an exciting business or you're just starting out, a website is the most integral part of your growth journey. But do you know what's more integral? Your domain name. Think of this as your business address, but for the internet. You see businesses using URLs that are catchy and easy to recall, and with millions of businesses vying for their customers' attention, the need is now more than ever. If you have a business that you'd like to grow online, then the .online domain is a no-brainer for you. .online domain is the world's second biggest new domain name extension with over 3.5 million active domains all over the world. Whether it's an international pop sensation building his brand on Maluma.online, Italy's biggest publication in Open.online, or a Florida-based small business owner, Suzanne Aaron, growing her kombucha business through Radiate.online. .online is for every business. .online is home to thousands of businesses from all over the world, ranging from industries like F&B, education, retail, tech, travel, real estate, creative services, to name a few. Convinced? There's more. It's not just appearances. The word online is searched a whopping 130 million times worldwide each month, making it a very rich keyword, thereby providing immense SEO value. Ready to kickstart your .online business journey? You can grab your .online domain from GoDaddy, Namecheap, INS, Wix, or wherever you fancy, because .online can be found everywhere. And here's the exciting part, there's a special deal waiting just for you. For a limited time, I've managed to crack one heck of a deal. You can snag your .online domain for just 99 cents for the first year. Quick, head to the link in the description and use the code EASY to snatch up this awesome offer. Trust me, you wouldn't want to miss this. Ready to take your embroidery skills to the next level? The Embroidery Machine Multi-Needle Mirror 1501 star model is here to help you do just that. Designed for embroidery enthusiasts and professionals alike, this advanced machine offers high-cost performance and exceptional versatility. With its multi-needle capability, you can bring your most intricate designs to life with ease. Introducing the 5-in-1 Heat Press Machine, your all-in-one solution for custom printing on mugs, plates, caps, and t-shirts. With digital controls for precise temperature and time adjustments, this versatile machine makes it easy to create personalized gifts and branded merchandise from the comfort of your own space. Say goodbye to outsourcing and hello to unlimited creative possibilities. Get yours today and start printing your way to success. Looking to upgrade your restaurant's capabilities? Look no further than VEVOR's lineup of top-notch equipment designed to elevate your operations. From refreshing slushy makers to creamy soft-serve ice cream machines and efficient meat-cutting equipment, VEVOR has you covered. Impress your customers with delicious frozen drinks made effortlessly, tantalize their taste buds with creamy ice cream, and streamline your kitchen workflow with precision meat cutting. With VEVOR, you're not just investing in equipment, you're investing in the success and efficiency of your restaurant. This automatic paste filling machine is a game changer for packaging viscous liquids like sauces and creams. With its precision filling mechanism, it ensures accurate and efficient packaging, reducing wastage and increasing productivity. Priced affordably, starting from $2,359, it's a cost-effective solution for businesses of all sizes. Plus, with its user-friendly interface and compact design, it's easy to operate and fits seamlessly into any production line. Meet the BENTISM Wholesale Vending Gumball Machine, a classic yet versatile addition to any commercial candy vending setup. With a capacity of up to 375 gumballs and adjustable rotary control, it offers flexibility to cater to various preferences. Available in vibrant red, this durable machine not only adds a pop of color to your space, but also guarantees years of reliable service. Get ready to delight customers and guests alike with this timeless candy vending solution. Whether you're looking for big capsules or mini capsules vending solutions, Walmart has you covered. From the Woodstar vending machine with a huge load capacity to the versatile big capsule vending machine, there's something for every need and budget. These machines are perfect for game stores, retail outlets, or any space where fun and convenience are paramount. Get ready to elevate your vending game with these top-notch capsule vending machines. Introducing the Apex Extra Large Combo Vending Machine with stratified temp control. This state-of-the-art vending solution offers unparalleled convenience and versatility for a wide range of products. With its spacious compartments and advanced temperature control features, it's perfect for storing and vending snacks, beverages, and more. Plus, its sleek black design adds a touch of sophistication to any space, making it a standout choice for businesses and venues of all kinds. Start your day with Maggia Super Automatic Coffee Espresso Machine by Zulai Kitchen. This espresso coffee maker combines sleek design with functionality, featuring a built-in grinder and milk frother for the perfect cup every time. Whether you prefer a rich espresso or a creamy cappuccino, this machine delivers barista-quality results. Offer your customers high-quality coffee and watch them come back to you over and over again. Elevate your culinary creations with the Comic Homemade Pasta Maker Machine. With its manual hand press and 7 adjustable thickness settings, it's never been easier to create fresh pasta at home. From fettuccine to lasagna, from ravioli to spaghetti, the possibilities are endless. Made from high-quality materials and built to last, this pasta maker is a must-have for any aspiring chef or pasta enthusiast. Add a touch of sweetness to any event with the electric commercial cotton candy machine by Vivo. This vibrant pink floss maker is perfect for parties, carnivals, and concession stands, offering delicious cotton candy in minutes. With its easy-to-use design and durable construction, it's sure to be a hit with kids and adults alike. Get ready to spin up some sugary fun with this commercial-grade cotton candy machine. Preserve the natural flavors and nutrients of your favorite fruits and meats with the Food Dehydrator machine. Featuring 8 trays, digital timer, and temperature control, it offers precise drying for optimal results. Whether you're making jerky, fruit leather, or dried herbs, this BPA-free dehydrator ensures even drying every time. Indulge in fluffy golden waffles with the Belgian waffle maker. With its non-stick surfaces and browning control, it ensures perfect waffles every time. Whether you prefer them crispy or soft, this stainless steel waffle maker delivers delicious results with minimal effort. Treat your customers to restaurant-quality waffles and start the day on a sweet note. Take your culinary creations to the next level with the electric grain grinder machine. Whether you're grinding corn, spices, or coffee, this stainless steel powder grinder delivers consistent results with every use. With its powerful motor and durable construction, it's perfect for commercial kitchens, restaurants, and food processing facilities. Plus, its compact design and easy operation make it a practical choice for busy professionals. Streamline your production process with the automatic powder filling machine. This versatile machine is designed to accurately fill a wide range of powdered substances into containers, jars, and pouches with ease. Whether you're packaging spices, protein powders, or pharmaceuticals, this efficient machine ensures consistent and precise filling every time. With its user-friendly interface and adjustable settings, it's the perfect solution for businesses looking to increase productivity and efficiency in their packaging operations. Enjoy freshly baked bread with the KBS 19-in-1 bread maker machine. Featuring a fully automatic design and LCD display, this stainless steel bread maker makes baking bread easier than ever. With 19 pre-programmed settings and customizable options, you can bake a variety of bread types to suit your customers' taste preferences. From classic white bread to whole wheat, gluten-free, and more. This bread maker delivers delicious results every time. Keep your beverages chilled with the Sims Live Commercial Ice Maker Machine. This freestanding or built-in ice maker produces up to 400 pounds of clear ice cubes per day, ensuring an ample supply for restaurants, bars, and events. With its stainless steel construction and user-friendly controls, it's built to withstand heavy-duty use and deliver reliable performance. Whether you're serving cocktails, smoothies, or iced beverages, this commercial ice maker is sure to meet your needs. Restore carpets to their former glory with a commercial carpet cleaner machine from Walmart. These powerful machines are designed to deep clean carpets, removing dirt, stains, and odors with ease. With features like adjustable cleaning modes, heated water tanks, and powerful suction, they deliver professional quality results every time. Whether you're a professional cleaner or a homeowner tackling tough stains, a commercial carpet cleaner machine is a must-have tool for maintaining clean and healthy carpets. Produce your own oil at home with an oil press machine. These machines are designed to extract oil from various seeds and nuts, allowing you to enjoy fresh and natural oils without any additives or preservatives. With their efficient design and easy-to-use controls, they're perfect for home cooks, health enthusiasts, and small-scale producers. Whether you're making olive oil, sesame oil, or peanut oil, an oil press machine is a convenient and cost-effective solution for your oil pressing needs. Treat your customers to delicious soft-serve ice cream with VEVOR's commercial ice cream machine. This high-capacity machine can produce up to 28 liters of soft-serve ice cream per hour, making it perfect for restaurants, snack bars, and other food service establishments. Make homemade yogurt effortlessly with the commercial yogurt fermentation machine. This electric fermentation tank is designed to maintain the ideal temperature for yogurt fermentation, ensuring consistent results every time. With its large 12 liters capacity and user-friendly controls, it's perfect for both commercial and home use. Whether you prefer Greek yogurt, traditional yogurt, or flavored yogurt, this yogurt maker makes it easy to enjoy fresh and delicious yogurt whenever you want. Beat the hit with the Costway electric snow cone machine. This ice shaver maker features dual blades and a powerful motor, allowing you to create fluffy snow cones in minutes. Whether you're hosting a summer party or running a concession stand, the snow cone machine is sure to be a hit with kids and adults alike. With its compact design and easy-to-use operation, it's perfect for any occasion where cool, refreshing treats are needed. Create homemade pasta with ease using the Hamilton Beach electric pasta and noodle maker machine. With its 7 molds for spaghetti, fettuccine, and more, this versatile machine allows you to make a variety of pasta shapes and sizes. Whether you're a pasta enthusiast or a culinary novice, this noodle maker makes it easy to enjoy fresh, homemade pasta in the comfort of your own kitchen. Simply add your ingredients, select your desired pasta shape, and let the machine do the rest. Simplify your canning process with the Weston Deluxe electric canning tomato strainer juicer press machine. This powerful machine is designed to effortlessly extract juice and pulp from tomatoes, making it perfect for homemade sauces, soups, and more. With its durable construction and easy-to-use design, it's a must-have tool for any home canner or gardener. Whether you're processing a large batch of tomatoes or just a few, this tomato strainer ensures quick and efficient results every time. Say goodbye to tedious hand cranking and hello to effortless tomato straining with Weston. Stay organized with the Nimbot Label Maker D110. This portable label printer is perfect for creating custom labels for your home, office, or business. With its inkless printing technology and Bluetooth connectivity, it allows you to print labels directly from your smartphone or tablet. Whether you're labeling files, folders, containers, or products, this label maker delivers crisp, clear labels with ease. Plus, with its compact size and rechargeable battery, you can take it with you wherever you go.